world of Chahat. My name is Chahat. Today we are going to learn about the structure of a leaf. Leaves are very important because they make food for the plant. So today we are going to learn about what do leaves do.
Very good, Chahat. So you are going to explain about the structure of
Leaf.
Why? Because leaves are very important for the plant. How do the leaf help the plant? It helps the plant to make its
Food.
own food. But do you want to say all plants make their own food?
No,
No. Which plants make their own food?
green plants.
Yes, only green plants have the ability to make its own food. So today we are going to learn a topic of the structure of leaf from the science chapter of grade 4. And what's the name of chapter?
The
Green.
structure of a leaf.
No, the chapter's name is
Green plants.
the food producers, right? Green plants. So the green plants are the food producers. What do you mean by food producer?
They make their own.
Right, they produce their own food.
Yeah.
Only green plants have the ability to make its own food. And how do they make the food? With the help of water, sunlight,
Carbon dioxide.
and a green pigment inside the plant's body. And what is that pigment name called? Chlorophyll.
Chlorophyll.
Alright, so we will study further today about the structure of leaf. So
Main point, the leaves are the kitchen of the plant.
leaves are like the
Kitchen.
How can you say that?
Because
Means
leaves make food
in the
in the kitchen and in the plant.
See, like we make the food in our kitchen, right? So plant make its food in the part of leaves, right?
Chlorophyll is what gives leaf their green color.
Right. The plant gets green color from chlorophyll and it is found in the part of leaves. So chlorophyll is a pigment. It's a green color pigment which is found in the plant, which helps them, gives its color also. The green color in plant is because of
The-
which pigment? Chlorophyll. Very good, Shad. Let's read further.
okay. Now let's learn the parts of a leaf.
So have you drawn some drawing about the leaf?
Yeah.
Okay, let's not show the drawing. Let's show them the science textbook. I feel it has a photo, right?
Yeah.
So will you just show the photo of the leaf?
This is the photo of a
Guys,
leaf.
let's zoom in. So you call let's zoom in.
Let's zoom in. Yeah.
So let's zoom in to the structure of a leaf. This is the structure. This is the basic structure of a leaf. Now Chahat, explain the parts of the leaf's body.
You can see this line about.
Yeah, this the stalk. This is the stalk. The lower
It's called
stalk.
petiole.
Yes, the lower stalk of the leaf's body.
And these lines, they are nerves. They call lamina.
No, the lines are lamina is the broad part, the green part of the leaf, the central broad part of the leaf. It's called
Lamina.
ये जो पत्ता होता है ना, this is called lamina, which is a green broad part, right? So the broad part of the leaf, it is called lamina, which is the upper part, and the lower part is called
Petiole.
petiole. Say loudly.
Petiole.
What is petiole? It is the
The stalk.
yes, it is a lower stalk of the leaf which connects the leaf with the stem of the plant.
Yeah.
When the stem and the leaf, where see this, there happens a stem and this is the leaf. Both of them are connected with petiole. They are connected
Yeah.
with petiole. So this is the structure of
A leaf.
which contains lamina. Now you tell what are the parts labeled. I mean, read the labels. This
Lamina.
is lamina, which is the broad green part, and this is petiole. It's a lower stalk of the plant which connects stem with the leaf, right? And this is veins. Veins are
Veins
what?
are the lines.
Veins are the small
Nerves.
thin lines that are extended coming from midrib. This central line is called midrib, right?
Yeah.
So veins are the small thin lines that spreads from the midrib, right? And they carry what? They carry
Beans carry food and water from the different parts of a leaf.
to the different parts of
A leaf.
leaf. So veins work like a pipeline. They work like a,
Pipeline.
say loudly,
They work like a pipeline.
which carries food and
Water.
water to different parts of the leaf. And what is midrib?
Midrib.
Midrib is the central line, the line in the center of the leaf. Can you see a broad standing line like a spine?
Yeah.
Which is where it is? Tell me. Yeah, this is like a spine. It is called midrib. Human body have spine in the
Yeah.
skeleton. What do the spine help? Spine,
stand.
yeah, spine help us to stand. So spine supports the body to stand. Similarly, midrib also support the leaf to stand and give its shape, right? So who gives the shape to the leaf? The midrib. Midrib works like a spine. And what do the midrib do? Tell me.
Helps to stand.
Yeah, it helps to support the leaf.
Yeah.
It gives the leaf the structure, the shape. Okay? It helps to give the shape to the leaf. Now from midrib, the lines that spread around, what they are called?
Midrib.
No, from the midrib there are many thin lines that spread. See, this is a midrib, many thin lines spread. What they are called? These lines are called veins. They carry the water and food.
Yeah.
And they give water and food to all the parts of the leaf from their pipes, right? Now midrib is done, veins are done. What is margin? Margin is the border of the leaf, the shape of the leaf. This margin, it is called margin, the border of the leaf, the structure of the leaf which gives it shape. जो border होता है leaf का, it is called margin. Now what remains? Tip.
Tip.
Now what is the tip? The
It's the pointed part.
the sharp pointed end of the leaf. It is called tip. What is the tip?
It's the pointed. Like
The sharp, it's very sharp, right?
Yeah.
Sharp pointed end of the leaf. It is an end.
of a leaf.
Does this end the leaf? Yes, it's an end. So it's a sharp pointed end of the leaf.
And it calls tip.
It is called a tip. So let's continue with the notes you have prepared. Chahat has prepared some notes. She'll explain from it. So can you just start reading what is petiole? Now start from here. Now let's learn the parts of a leaf.
Now let's learn the parts of a leaf.
All right.
Petiole, it is the small stalk that joins the leaf to the stem. Lamina. Lamina, it is the
Broad.
broad, flat green part of the leaf.
This is where the plant make the most of its food, right?
Yeah.
So plant make most of its food where? In the lamina. Is it?
It smells.
Yeah. So guys, if you just see, lamina is this green part. The broad green part is called lamina, which is flat in shape. Now let's read further. What's the next?
Midrib. Midrib, it is the thick line in the center of the leaf. It gives support to the leaf.
Yes, so midrib is like a spine of the body. It gives support to the leaf and it is the thick center line in the body of a leaf. So leaf में जो हमको center में standing line दिखती है, thick वो क्या होती है? It's a midrib.
Midrib.
Now what are veins? These are the smaller veins. These are the smaller lines that spread from the midrib. Midrib से जो line spread होती है side में छोटी छोटी nerves की तरह. They look like nerves. Show your nerves. Do you have nerves in your wrist? So you can see the nerves in your wrist. See, these are like veins. Can you just see, Chahat?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we also have veins in our body. Human body also has a lot of veins. So these veins helps the leaf to carry the water and food.
Yeah.
And they supply water and food to the plant's body. All right, what next?
Margin. Margin, it is the edge or border of the leaf.
Right, we already told everyone, right? The border of the leaf, the corner of the shape of the leaf. It is called
Margin.
margin. Now what's the last point? It is?
Leaf tip.
Yes, leaf tip. It is the?
Pointed end of the leaf.
Right, so the pointed end of the leaf. So for example, this is a leaf. So the pointed end of the leaf, it is called tip.
Tip, yeah.
All right, what next?
Did you know that plants also breathe?
Now, did you know the plants also breathe? So you first tell me, Chahat, do you know the plants also breathe?
Yeah, they
And how do they breathe?
They have a tiny hole.
So humans breathe with the nose, but do plants have nose?
No.
No, but then how they breathe?
They have tiny holes.
Where-
We can't see it.
We can only see that through
a microscope.
through a microscope.
Because they are so tiny.
Right. But where are these holes present? In the leaves. Right. So on the body surface of the leaf, there are very tiny pores. They are not called holes. They are pores. Pores means very minute. Further you want to tell?
Leaves have tiny holes called stomata.
Right. So leaf breathe with the help of tiny holes called
Stomata.
Right. What's the next line?
Isn't nature amazing?
Yeah. So Chahat is asking. Ask again.
Isn't nature amazing?
So you guys, do you feel that nature is amazing?
Yeah.
Now you tell me, Chahat, do you feel the nature is amazing?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I hope you enjoyed learning about the structure of a leaf. If you like this video, please subscribe to the World of Chahat. Thank you for watching. Bye.